In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Very interesting, actually. Before starting this lecture, we are having very good time today, but still, it's important to record the lecture and let everybody know who are the regular viewers of our channel, Genius Institute Lahore. I hope that you are not only watching the videos, but you are also liking, commenting and sharing the videos of Genius Institute Lahore. Are you doing the same thing?
Yes.
Absolutely fantastic. But I understand that some of them are lying only. You're not absolutely correct in your declaration, in your Lloyd statement. Anyway, okay, today's lecture is going to be about lecture number 9, reductions. Now, a very important one. Number 1 is kind of, kinda. इसी तरह से अगर kinds of हो ज्यादा तो kinds आप वो भी sentence बनाएंगे at home. Well, we can't afford to have those sentences here. हम major keyword को लेंगे. Anyway, next one is sort of, sorter. Shabash. And the next one is number 3, type of. That's great, brilliant. The next one is lot of. A lot of को इससे पहले a इस्तेमाल भी होता है. A lot of. So lot of. The next one is front of. Front of is frenner. Front of. Frenner. That's great. Now, okay, let's get started. We're going to make sentences. Now, the first one is kinda. I like kind of smart people. मुझे एक तरह के smart लोग, intelligent लोग अच्छे लगते हैं. Kind of smart people. Yes, please.
He sounded kind of walky.
He sounded kind of walky. Walky means foolish. वो एक तरह से foolish sound किया, एक तरह से. Kinda, sorter, typer, इन तीनों को मतलब एक ही है, but you have got different options here. So he sounded kind of walky. Walky means foolish. Very good sentence.
What kind of fish do you want to eat in a cold weather?
What kind of food do you like to eat in a cold weather? That's great. What kind of?
He looked kind of cool.
He looked kind of cool and she looked kind of hot. Absolutely right. Okay.
I kind of left in hurry. मैंने जल्दी से, एक तरह से जल्दी में रवाना हुआ वहां से. Left in hurry. Okay, great. There is kind of beauty in imperfection.
Oh my God, this is literature. There is kind of beauty in imperfection. के perfect नहीं है, थोड़ा सा काम छोटा बड़ा गड़बड़ भी उसके अंदर अगर है तो उसमें भी एक खूबसूरती होती है. There's a kind of beauty in imperfection, right?
I don't need this kind of stress.
Don't need this kind of stress. मुझे इस किस्म के stress की जरूरत नहीं है. इस किस्म kind of stress, right?
The movie was kind of boring.
The movie was kind of boring. Movie एक तरह से boring थी.
He looks elegant. He looks kind of elegant in his uniform.
She looked kind of elegant in uniform. वो uniform एक तरह से बहुत ही beautiful लगी. Kind of beautiful, kind of elegant. All right, great. The next option is sort of, sorter. My example sentence is, what sort of person are you? Oh, भाईजान किस किस्म के इंसान हैं आप? All right, sort of person are you?
His whole life sort of ended when his mom died.
Sorry?
His whole life sort of ended when his mom died.
Oh, his whole life ended, sort of ended, उसकी पूरी जिंदगी एक तरह से खत्म होगी when his mom died. जब उसकी माँ जो है दुनिया से रुखसत हो गई. Right.
She's sort of tired.
She
is sort of tired.
He's sort of tired. वो एक तरह से थका हुआ है. Very nice.
What sort of flower do you like?
What sort of flower do you like? किस किस्म का फूल पसंद करते हैं आप?
What sort of day could you looking forward to?
What sort of day you are looking forward to? किस दिन के इंतजार में हैं? किस किस्म के दिन के इंतजार में आप? Right, yes.
He spoke of having sort of flashback.
He
spoke of having some sort of flashback.
He spoke of having a sort of flashback. Flashback, past memory. क्या होता है flashback जी?
Past memory.
Past memory, absolutely right. Very nice. Next.
I am only joking, sorta.
I'm only joking, sorta. Sorta का आखिर में इस्तेमाल हुआ है. मैं सिर्फ मजाक ही कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ एक तरह से. I'm only joking, sorta. Right. Very nice.
He glowed with a different sort of power.
He glowed with a different sort of power. वो एक मुख्तलिफ किस्म की ताकत के साथ ग्लो किया उसने. And she glowed with a different sort of beauty cream. वो एक तरह की ब्यूटी क्रीम से ग्लो किया. Yes, please.
I don't know you like that sort of things.
I didn't know that you like this sort of thing. मैं नहीं जानता था कि आप इस किस्म की चीज को पसंद करते हैं. Absolutely fantastic. Type of. I like classical type of music. I like classical music type. आखिर में sorta, kinda. Right. I like classical sort of music. There are lots of other kinds of music as well. आपको पता है कौन कौन से music kinds हैं? Rap music, jazz music, classical, semi-classical, pop music. बहुत सारी kinds हैं music की. So I like kind of classical music. आपने सुना होगा classical music. खटी रात ज़ारी, like this. It would be like, very, very slow music, tranquilizing in nature. जो बहुत ही soothing effects जिसके होते हैं. All right, yes, please.
Cotton is a type of material.
Sorry?
Cotton is a type of material.
Cotton is a type of material. Cotton एक तरह का material है. For example, इसी तरह से iron or gold or silver are different type of materials, right? Okay.
What type of fabric in winter?
What type of fabric do you like to wear in winter? आप पसंद करते हैं पहना winter में जी?
She likes all type of books.
She like all types of books. तमाम किस्म की किताबें पसंद है उसको.
What type of dress are you searching for?
What kind of?
What type of dress are you searching for?
Case.
Dress.
What type of dress you are searching for? You're looking forward to. किस किस्म का dress आप तलाश कर रहे हैं?
What type of car do you drive?
What type of car do you drive? किस किस्म की गाड़ी आप चलाते हैं?
She loves to cook different type of food.
She loves to cook different type of food, different type of cuisines. वो पसंद करती है पकाना मुख्तलिफ किस्म के cuisines को जी.
Have you ever tried any extreme sports?
Have you ever tried type of extreme sports? Extreme sports में skydiving, snowboarding, or windsurfing. Very dangerous sports, right?
Let's explore the different type of cuisine on our next food adventure.
Oh my God! On our next food adventure, let's explore different type of cuisines on our next food adventure. Excellent sentences. Now the next one is going to be laughter. I've got a lot of options. मेरे पास काफी सारी options हैं. Okay, fine. Okay.
Children need a lot of love and affection.
She needs a lot of love and affection. उसे काफी सारी मोहब्बत की जरूरत है.
He drinks very milky coffee with lot of sugar.
He drinks very milky coffee with lot of sugar. उसे परहेज करना चाहिए white poison से जिसमें आपका salt है और sugar है. These are called white poisons. All right, very good.
We've got a lot of books on history.
We got a lot of books on history. Got a lot of. We've got a. जिसमें दो reductions का इस्तेमाल हो रहा है. Got to या got a gotter. A lot of a lotter. So a lot of का जो a है वो got के अंदर got a gotter. We got a lot of options. Books options. We got a lot of books on history. हमारे पास हिस्ट्री की काफी सारी किताबें हैं. और
He takes lot of sugar in the tea.
Sorry?
He takes lot of sugar in the tea.
He takes a lot of sugar in the tea. चाय में काफी सारी जो है वो चीनी लेता है जी.
I have a lot of free time today.
I have a lot of free time too.
Today.
मेरे पास आज काफी सारा free time है.
She has a lot of common sense.
She has a lot of common sense. उसमें काफी सारे common sense. Excellent sentences. शाबाश.
A lot of students suffer from exam phobia.
A lot of students, काफी सारे number of students suffer from exam phobia. बहुत अच्छी psychological term इस्तेमाल की है. Not exam phobia. जैसे कुछ लोगों को height phobia होता है, कुछ लोगों को water phobia होता है, खौफ होता है. Exam का भी phobia होता है. Excellent.
There's a lot of danger in rock climbing.
There's a lot of danger in rock climbing. Rock climbing जो आप पहाड़ से या किसी पहाड़ी से चट्टान से छलांग लगाते हैं समंदर की जानिब, किसी दरिया की जानिब, तो वहां there is a lot of danger in rock climbing. Excellent sentences. Shabash. And the next one is going to be front of front. There's a park in front of there's a park in front of my house. मेरे घर के सामने एक park है. Right in front of.
He wanna buy a new house in front of the spot.
Oh, he wants to buy a new house in this in front of this spot. इस जगह के सामने वो अपना एक नया घर बनाना चाहता है. In front of the commercial market, in front of the park. Very good.
The boy standing in the line in front of me is so tall.
The boy standing in front of me in the queue is so tall. काशी भाई जैसा tall और handsome ही होगा वो. All right, excellent. Shabash.
There was a large crowd in front of the hospital.
There's a large crowd in front of the hospital. काफी सारे लोग थे hospital के सामने.
There was a beautiful mosque in front of the church.
Oh, there was a beautiful mosque in front of the church. ये normally आप European countries में देख सकते हैं जहां आपको बहुत सारे इस्लामिक सेंटर्स नजर आएंगे in front of different other जो होती हैं इबादत गाहें लोगों की या मुख्तलिफ religions की. Right, शाबाश.
He stood in front of the classroom ready to start her presentation.
He stood in front of a class. वो class के सामने खड़ा हो गया to give his presentation. All right.
The cat sat in front of the window.
The cat sat in front of the window. बिल्ली बैठ गई विंडो के सामने. जी.
The cat sleeping in front of the fireplace.
Oh, the cat sleeping in front of the fireplace. आतिशदान के सामने बिल्ली सोई हुई है. Right?
We parked the car in front of my house.
I parked the car. मैंने गाड़ी पार्क कर दी in front of my house. मेरे घर के सामने. All right. हमारे पास जो first option थी, आप उसे भी बात कर दीजिए kind of के बारे से.
He's kind of jealous.
He's kind of jealous. Jealousy होती है जहां मोहब्बत होती है वहां jealousy, जहां रिश्तेदारी होती है वहां भी jealousy होती है. So, but we should try to avoid these bad habits और बुरी आदत हमारे अंदर नहीं होनी चाहिए. We should feel happy. We should feel proud of others' achievements and breakthroughs in life. You're right.
He's
Ji.
kind of jealous that they have become such a good friend.
All right. Kind of jealous.
She's kind of upset about what happened.
She's kind of upset about what happened. वो परेशान है जो कुछ हुआ उसके बारे में. Yes, काशिबा. जी, yes, bhai.
I can't stand this kind of movie.
I can't stand. Stand का मतलब बर्दाश्त करना भी होता है. I can't stand. I can't. Stand means bear, tolerate, put up with. नहीं बर्दाश्त कर सकता इसको whatever has happened. So thank you very much, my dear friends, for giving such wonderful first sentences and making a good combo of different sentences in the class. I'm really excited about your performance here in the class today. Once again, a lot of big round of applause for everybody in the class today. Thank you.